Now, it's Buster Bunny time proudly presents the classical music masterpiece, the Anvil Chorus, with our special guest star, Plucky Duck. Well, Plucky, it's called the Anvil Chorus. So, use your noggin, Plucky. But Plucky, you can't expect us to do the Anvil Chorus without anvils, can you? Plucky, will you please be more careful down there? Baz might have been hurt. Now. And now, our big finale. The show must go on. They love it, Suitcase. They want more. This concludes the classical portion of our show. Say goodnight, Babs. So long.